on the road,
chasing dreams.
Sometimes I don't know where those roads go. Dark-minded, but I'm out here chasing dreams. Yancey, baby. Yo, Rek, do you ever think the world will stop spinning, man? Chasing birds and chasing dreams. Seen the burbs and seen the streets. Rolling in the city, country boy pouring sweet tea. Want that audio degree like my dog R3ckl3ss. With a pole in the backyard and a chick that's down for me. Man, I'm crazy and the ladies loving that. Nobody's topping that when she's on top of that. Now everybody playing copycats, an alienatic insomniac. I'm scared down the chamber, rimping, no winning, no danger. Moving with the times, I'm sensei and protege to the creator. Now chasing birds, chasing dreams. Live your life and always believe your mind is the greatest being. Your mind is the greatest being. Please do not deny yourself when chasing the life. It could be one way or another, or it could be over tonight. Now open up your wings like your mind, just fly. You could be somebody in the blink of an eye. Don't think, just try. That's what I do, but fuck it, what do I know? Back to the bone, but back at home I was young and dumb years old. So, birdie, don't go, let me fly with ya. I would leave this world in a divine minute. Please, birdie, don't go, let me fly with ya. I would leave this world in a divine minute. Chasing birds, chasing dreams. Now I know everything ain't what it seems. Chasing birds, chasing dreams. Now I know everything ain't what it seems. Yancey, baby. 30 seconds to Mars, it's the kill that we've been waiting for. Yancey, baby, ho, here to change ratios of lazy tones on the radio. But that's just my dream chaser. I try to let my birds eye think greater, but fuck it, I'll say my prayers. See you later before the Illuminati finds my traces through your body, mind, and ankles. I am your creator. Our nation's like a pretty picture painting. Bloodstained, it's still framed it. Now it's like your girl and I's just hanging, chasing birds. Fuck the earth, double perp, I fuck with her. Fuck it, breathless in the air, asking reckless weatherverse.
This record saying 10, we identity cash. I don't listen to your music, I don't listen to trash. Lyrical warfare, got nuclear weapons. It's in God we trust ya. I'm counting my blessings. Put you in the box like a Catholic confession. I'm killing these rappers, leave blood in the session. Killer be killed, better bring some protection. Caucasian so white, it look like my complexion. Don't fuck up bitches or show them affection. I swear I'm so sick, lyrics like an infection. R3ckl3ss. Since they get money, I'm reaching for the stars. A bunch of foreign girls naked in a foreign car. I can keep the bullshit, I just need a full clip. Aim it at the word while I'm preaching from the pulpit, yeah. If you're looking for me, I'm on top just like I'm ZZ. You ain't getting money, you a square just like a TV. I don't fuck with you, my circle smart just like a bee. I swear all these people only call me when they need. R3ckl3ss. I'm surrounded by bullshit and held all this methane. Strapped a bomb to my chest and then I boarded this airplane. Headed straight to the city so my pain can be therapy. And then I drink all the blood and then chased it with champagne. All my friends are dead, yeah, my pocket's full of presidents. If home is where the heart is, I guess I am not a resident. All my friends are dead, pockets looking like a cemetery. Do it for the cream, yeah, I'm talking about that Ben and Jerry. Yeah, it's R3ckl3ss, fuck with me, you better not.
So, birdie, don't go, let me fly with ya. I would leave this world in a divine minute. Please, birdie, don't go, let me fly with ya. I would leave this world in a divine minute. Chasing birds, chasing dreams. Now I know everything ain't what it seems. Chasing birds, chasing dreams. Now I know everything ain't what it seems. Yancey, baby.